So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about how you can make a Google Cloud Skill Boost account. So if you want to attempt the Google Cloud Study Gems, then you need Cloud Skill account for your registration. So first of all, you must have a Gmail account and then search in Google Cloud Skill Boost smalls and see skills boost and the first link you are watching here, this is Cloud Skill Boost. Also I will upload this link on my description box and see. If you open this link, then you will get this type of UI. So it is showing there hi there. So then you have to go next process, use this sign in, click on there. It's taking a little bit time and see. Then this window opens and then click on sign in with Google. And already we have a Gmail account, so we will click there. Okay, sign in with Google. If you don't have any Gmail account, then you can make a new account, Gmail account, and then you can continue the process. But for now I have a Gmail account, so I will just simply go with sign in with Google. And then I have to choose my account. Here I have this one account, so let's click this and see. If you don't have any account, means if you have not made any account previously on this account, then you will get this window, the terms of service, whatever this is. Just go and then click on I'm a robot and see here is a check, and then click accept. It will take a little bit time. Okay, then you will get this type of window. There will be a what cloud shell and G cloud, I think. Okay, yes, you have to complete this pathway and then you will get 7 credits. But if you are applying for study jams, then don't go with this. Okay, don't start the lab, just simply go my account, and here you can see 0 credits. Sorry. Okay, for you guys maybe this page will be open. I don't know why the lab opens for me, but for first time this page will be open. And here you can see it will show hi username. For me it's Subhranil, and then you can click on my account, then you will see this is showing 0 credits. This means you have no credit. And for who wants to join the cloud study jams, for them there are few steps. First of all, you have to go this profile. See, this will be open. Okay, and now you have to click on this make batch profile public. You have to make your account public. By default it's remain private, but if you want to join study jams, then you need to make your account public. Make it public and see, when you are clicking on the public, then this link will be given to you. For the registration you need this link, so just simply copy and store it in something in your storage, because you need this link. Okay, and you need the full link, full till the end. So with this link we will keep tracking of your progress and all. And if you want to connect your developer's profile, then you can click on the here. And if you have a developer's profile, you need a developer's profile, of course. So I don't have any developer's profile in my this account, so I'm avoiding this part. But you can still connect your Google's developer profile. And also some important topic for cloud, those who wants to join cloud study jams, and don't make any enrollment here. Okay, just let me go to the explore part. Don't enroll yourself in any pathways. Keep it totally fresh. No need to do any activity, any, don't do. Because if you enroll yourself in any type of course or any pathways, then your registration might be cancelled. So ignore this. Those who are for October cohort, for study jams, on 3rd October they will get a mail where they have to redeem their coupon code, and they will get here it is showing 0 credits, and they will get the monthly subscription. Monthly subscription means you will get 1 or 2 month unlimited credits. So that's all. You can make a cloud skill boost account for your Google study jams. And I hope everything is clear in this video, but still if you have any doubt, then you can comment out or reach me in my socials. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you, and please do like and share with your friends. And also I will upload the labs and all part, how you can complete the quiz, you can complete the labs during the your pathway journey. So no issue, you will get much of assistance from me. So till then, bye, take care, and please do consider a like and subscribe.